YouTube? I'm here with an unboxing video for the Air Force One Experimental Postal Ghosts. Air Force Ones were introduced in 1982 with the innovation of the Nike Air. The first shoe to have that. Now all Nike shoes have Nike Air in the soles and everything else. So they pretty much started the whole trend of, more comfort, more performance, and these shoes took it from the basketball courts to the streetwear. They've been iconic ever since. They really haven't done much since then, pretty much doing the same old thing, keep re-releasing different colors, different styles, that kind of thing. They come in lows, mids, and the highs. But in 2019, they actually started this N354 project, which they wanted to do some more innovations to the shoe. And these right here are the iterations that pay homage to the USPS priority package box. So let's go ahead and check them out, man. Look at the box, kind of this grayish type of pale color. Pretty cool. Let's look at them real quick. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. So as you can see, these are the lows. They have this foam adhered type of plastic, sticky kind of top. It's a little off-white to kind of have a contrast with the all-white sole. And they have all-white laces. And then they pretty much have this pale blue trim to it on the tread and the sole of it. The tips of the laces. It's pretty cool. They also have this blue zip tie thing on the tongue, which the tongue and the inside of the shoe is also that pale blue. It's pretty awesome, man. And they even have I love the detail of these things. They got Air Force Ones all across the packaging. Look like you could just ship these things by yourself. But probably the best part of the shoe that I really like is they have this tag that looks just like the postal tags you put on priority packages. Got the Nike logo, Air Force One right here, N354. Then it says for everyday use, which I'm definitely not wearing these every day. These some shoes that are memorable and they don't go with everything. So definitely don't want to wear these all the time. I know I won't. These are pretty funky, man. Something definitely different. On the inside, they talk about the Air Force One experimental packs and stuff, and what is it based on? It says the Air Force One experimental type design is based on an oxygen mask used in the Nike Sports Research Lab. Pretty awesome, man. The tongue is really different. They got these pull ties or pull loops that help you put the sneaker on. I've never really seen these on Air Force Ones before. I could be wrong, but that's a good little addition. Also, like the back tag for the Nike Air, it's upside down, so that's pretty cool. And the details are amazing, man. I mean, it's not like a smooth, wrapping job. You can kind of see that. Look, got some folds here. Got the N354 on the side right there on the Nike check. Yeah, these are actually really cool, man. Really cool. So supposedly these drop May 28th. These have been online. So, your Stadium Goods, StockX, they got them all. So if you want to cop these a little bit early, you can, or just wait for them to release, man, and go and cop some. Supposedly retail, they're going to be $130. So, yeah, these are kind of cool. I actually heard that the post office had a dispute with them. I don't know if they came to terms or what happened or made a deal. I heard a few things. I don't know if they're rumors or not, but I think everything worked out because they're selling them. I think the resale value of these is going to be all right. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Like, it may not jump like crazy, but maybe after years, you never know. I'll probably hold on to these for a while because I like shoes that are unique like this. So, yeah, these things are not too bad. So y'all need to go ahead and cop if you can.